Hi, this is Jeff from the Ozark Mountains, that's in Missouri, in the USA. Well, about this time last week, I was headed back from Tandy Assembly 2022. That is a yearly gathering of Tandy enthusiasts in Springfield, Ohio. I took a bit of video when I was there to share with you all to give you an idea of what it's like. Let's jump in and have a look at that, and then we'll come back and look at a few things that I picked up while I was there. Thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring this episode. They offer an excellent quick-turn PCB prototyping service, which now has a free upgrade to the 150-160 temperature range. They also offer a wide range of services that allow you to go from idea to a finished product, including CNC machining, 3D printing, injection molding, PCB assembly. Go on over to pcbway.com/OEM to find out more. I snapped a few pictures on Friday about noon. This is just before the Tech Track presentations start, and not a lot of the exhibits are set up. There's not a lot of people there yet, and this will give you an idea of the size of the room that it was in. You can see they're getting the video presentation area set up. They've got the chairs and tables and all that stuff all ready to go. We are at Tandy Assembly 2022. Try to do a bit of a walk around. Lots of computers, some nice banners and posters. All sorts of stuff that you don't see every day. We've got a little table with all the pocket computers. Video information system. A micro color computer. Some live repairs going on.
So I'm going to reflow some soda. Yeah, I was going to say, I've been wiggling some shit and I haven't found it.
Dick Smith copy of the TRS-80. Ah. What's this one doing?
That's the floppy 80.
This one here, it's
floppy E. For the Model 3 and the non-gate array Model 4. Instead of having the floppy controller board connected to real floppies or floppy emulators like the GoTest, this emulates the drive controller and 4 floppy drives. So you're going to be manipulated all from
I run it on there. I do all my votes.
and it supports most of the operating systems.
I get my daughter's hand-me-downs.
New parts.
Whatever hand-me-down a couple times ago. I think she got that. I think maybe when she
TRS-80 live video. Another emulator of sorts. There's Arno. Ah, new dust cars. Boy, those are sexy, aren't they? think this is a color computer type clone. The big boy business systems.
Where are y'all going?
I don't know.
Hopefully just somewhere in walking distance.
3D on a TRS-80.
So did you?
Cool stuff. Say hey.
Hey, you look like that guy I see on videos.
Sometimes, yep. I'm just as ugly in real life.
You're beautiful to me. But then I inspire you really well. I'm lucky enough to make a freight train go marching down the dirt road. Everybody looks
It's part of being an old nerd, right?
I'm most often
Get Gruffy, grow its facial hair.
I am not old. I am finally aged.
You need to get to it.
Nerd.
Solder a
Sometimes I'm a geek.
or something on. It's hard to do.
It just depends.
Units.
No, not yet. But in a few years.
It was a need, so I'm like, you know what? I got an order going in for printed circuits anyway.
You're in good shape.
It took me like 10 minutes.
Hopefully another one comes up soon. I like this one's got dual gun. How easy it is to find the secondary one
This is Ian stuff from Australia. I got a Model 4P high-res video card from him. It's a pretty nice looking Model 4P.
the rationale in the sense that, it's only a 24K machine. Where did you get these?
That's right, the hard drive for your TRC.
This is a small ball.
Here's Jay, the power supply guy. Hey, Jay.
Yeah, okay. 7160.
Really nice looking Model 4.
I have my computer there. I was hoping that we could
PCs and parts of all sorts. Look how much space it took to add a couple 8-inch floppy drives. This is some sort of homemade TRS-80, complete with Lincoln lights, dual drives, interestingly placed circuit boards.
That one, I think.
Built-in Model 1 power supply.
Alex, is this monitor on the market? Alright, that goes with that one.
Video text office information system. Cocoa stuff.
Yeah, Model 100 system in its little space bars broken off, needs work. Parts Model 100, so give me $20. Up the back, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 35, 35, 35, isn't it going to be 50? Yeah, 50 over here, 50, 50, 50, 50. Anyone going to give me 60? 60, 60, 60, going once, 60, going twice. Gentleman here with the beard and the glasses. Wrap all the boxes, but two modems. Two call stripe hero modems and random connection cables and some hint as well. Most about $10 each. Will start me at $20 for this lot here. $20 over here, thank you. 25 here. 25, 25, 25, 30 behind you, 30 behind you, 30 behind you. You out? You're out?
No, I mean,
Sorry?
35.
35, I've got 35 here, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, anywhere else? 35, 40, I've got 40 behind you, 40 behind you. 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40 going once, 40 going twice. 45 here, 45 here, 45 here, 45 Malcolm, you want them or not? 50. 50.
Step outside.
50 going once, 50 going twice.
Well, you know how it is. You can't be around all that great old vintage Tandy computer equipment without wanting to pick up a thing or two. Although this is a new board, it is for a vintage computer, a Tandy Model 4P. This is a high-res graphics card made by Ian Maverick from Australia. He was there with his son. He manufactures these boards down under. He happened to have one with him, so I snatched it up. Now, sometime in the future, we'll do a video where we pop this guy in and do some interesting high-res things on the Model 4P. If you have an idea of what we should do, let me know in the comment section down below. Well, there was, I don't know, 15 or 16 of these Tandy C20 catalog number 26-3601 20-minute leaderless certified, whatever certified means, cassette tapes. Now this is still in the shrink wrap. It's not been opened. A friend of mine, Jason, actually bought the lot these were in and said, hey, let's split them because he just wanted a few. So we did. I took this bunch of 20. There's 20, see, or maybe it's C20s. Maybe there's 10 in here. 12. Okay. Well, I was close. I had the right 2 digits anyhow. Anyhow, there is 12 20-minute computer cassettes in here, which just means they're leaderless and they're short. I don't think I'll take them out of here. I have a couple of these that aren't in this box that are just the individual cassettes still in the wrapper. But I just thought that was kind of interesting that these have been hanging around all these years, still in the shrink wrap. And the physically largest thing I got was this Radio Shack CGP 115. This is the older silver model. It is a 4-color printer plotter that uses the Alps mechanism that everything else back in that time period used. You know how I love these Alps mechanisms. Somebody had this one boxed, so I picked it up from them. Still has the price tag on it, $199.95. I did not pay that for it though. And you know how these guys are, they always need pinion gears and probably need some pins and things like that. But I really love this plotter mechanism and jumped at the chance to get this fine example in a box. So we'll get that fixed up sometime in the future and have some fun with it. Wondering what I should connect to this to print from. Maybe the Model 4P, maybe a modern Windows machine. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this brief look at Tandy Assembly 2022. They did video the whole thing, and there are links to all the presentations and such in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thanks to everyone who helps support the Hey Birt channel through Patreon and other means. It's greatly appreciated. Well, until next time, bye.